In the bustling city of Delhi, amidst the noise of bargaining and hawking, a young Qimat Rai Gupta envisioned a future brighter than just selling. He saw beyond the dim bulbs and flickering switches, dreaming of innovation and quality that would light up the world. Despite the challenges, Qimat took a leap of faith and invested in Havells, a struggling company with great potential. He nurtured it with his unwavering faith, focusing on quality materials and skilled artisans. The once dim workshop transformed into a vibrant hive of activity, with each whirring machine and calloused hand contributing to the growing flame of ambition. Qimat's vision extended beyond just switches. He saw electricity as the lifeblood of modern living, illuminating homes, industries, and aspirations. Havells ventured beyond its comfort zone, acquiring and integrating other companies, with each step a testament to Qimat's relentless pursuit of growth and diversification. Qimat dared to dream beyond borders. The acquisition of Sylvania was a bold move, propelling Havells onto the global stage. It was not just a business deal, it was a declaration that Indian innovation could illuminate the world. The once humble Delhi company now shone brightly on the international map. Qimat's legacy was not just about business success. He believed that true illumination extended beyond homes and factories. Havells's social initiatives touched countless lives, providing education, healthcare, and sustainable solutions. He understood that a company's true light shines brightest when it illuminates the lives of others. Qimat Rai Gupta's flame ignited a legacy that continues to shine. Havells, under the leadership of his son, Anil Rai Gupta, carries the torch of innovation and social responsibility. They continue to illuminate the future, driven by the same values that guided their founder. Qimat Rai Gupta's story is an inspiration to us all. It reminds us that with vision, dedication, and a commitment to doing good, even the smallest spark can illuminate the world. His journey from a humble stall to a global leader serves as a beacon, urging us to dream big, innovate relentlessly, and illuminate not just our own lives, but the lives of those around us.